Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far, and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll just do the daily updates. I mean, to be honest, yesterday the entire day we barely got any movement. I mean, we did get a little bit of movement in the area which we talked about yesterday. So that's between 26,700 and 26,500. Within that area, we actually did have some movement. It's still like on the 1 hour time frame, you could argue that it's making lower highs, even though I never really like analyzing on the 4 hour time on the 1 hour time frame. I think the 4 hour time frame is still relatively neutral with a little bit of a bearish tint maybe. But we'll talk about that in this video as well, right? I mean, right now it's the weekend, so today I don't expect that much volatility nor volume. You can already see that the volume for Bitcoin right now is down towards $9.3 billion, which is already way lower than last week, and it will still probably continue to drop down towards 6 or 5. So I don't expect that much, but it is good to take a look at some things that are happening next week, etc. All right, so before we dive into that, I do want to briefly mention that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades as signals. But you also gain access to a chat room full of traders, which is very valuable, and my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. But for now, let's get into Bitcoin. So overall, to kind of already check out next week we don't have that many big events economically for the US, which is most important. Friday is a big day, but that's still so far away. I mean, we'll touch upon that in the update tomorrow, but for now I don't think that's necessary. For now, I think it's better to just gauge the technicals once more. All right. So yesterday, what I said is that I felt like, or it looks to me like Bitcoin right now is relatively neutral, and to actually better visualize that, I'd say it's really stuck between these levels, right? So there's quite a strong support level between 26,500 and 26,400. And then what happened last Thursday is that we got a major bearish breakout after mostly economic news. I mean, it's if you check out the dollar strength index right now, it's very strong. It's in a very strong uptrend, and it doesn't look at this point of time like it's stopping, even though there's a lack of resistance levels up here, but that's just due to me being lazy. So that's bearish. That's bearish for Bitcoin. And then that was also in combination with a major bearish breakout. I mean, there was really, like, if you forget about this, if you just do this, you would say, all right, we're very bullish, right? This is a cool trick. Here you'd say we're bullish, but then what happened is that the price dropped down below most of the indicators that were holding up that bullish momentum. So that's, first of all, that's bearish confirmation. Second of all, the dollar strength index is bullish, which is bearish for Bitcoin. And there's no real, like I said, I mean, there is some sort of, it is respecting the bearish, the resistance levels now a little bit more than the support levels. So that's why, I mean, I've been quite bearish on Bitcoin for a while now, so I'm pretty biased, I would say. But given all of those reasons, those are reasons that are just observable, right? They're here. So that's why I think it's more likely that Bitcoin will test that level around 26,400 again, and at some point of time also break down below that, after which we'll find support at 26,200 and 26,000. But I do think that if 26,400 breaks as a support, which is now our main support, I do think that then we'll drop back down towards 25,700, which was always the support in that range. So that's my most likely scenario, given all of the factors we talked about. Obviously, it could change. I mean, usually on Sunday, Sunday is usually quite volatile, so we'll still talk about this tomorrow as well. But for now, this looks like the most likely scenario. So now go enjoy your weekend. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.